on with the recess of genome.
Just got into Osprey Reef. Taylor's going to make us some bread, which is going to be amazing, no doubt. I had a pretty hectic night last night. The wind vane backed us sad, so I had to steer throughout the night over to like about 30 miles east of here, sorry. Watched Harry Potter and sailed over at about 1 AM, so everybody's a bit tired. Before that, we tried to start the engine to make some power because we were running out of power because it was a cloudy day yesterday, no solar, and the start battery was dead, so we tried to use our homemade jumper leads, which we've been using to charge the house batteries, to jump start it, and there wasn't enough power in the house batteries either. Turned everything off, started pumping the bilge by hand because obviously the bilge has been a massive issue, and that's why they were dead to start with, because the bilge pump runs off the start batteries. We just left it too long without running the engine. And put the jumper leads on between the house and the start, put the engine in forward so the prop was spinning, and it just had enough to get the engine going, which was a massive relief. We weren't really looking forward to a whole day of, well, however long it took to get enough solar into the batteries to get the engine started again. We would have just been hanging out there with no GPS and no power at all. Pumping the bilge manually every 5 minutes would have been exhausting. Would have been like the days of real sailing, I imagine. Osprey Reef so far is beautiful. We're about, what do you reckon, Taylor, 12 miles from the entrance here?
Yeah, 12.
Yeah. So, oh, you look fine. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's like a massive circular or oval shaped reef with a little entrance over the other side, and on the more towards the north on the western side. And so we're right at the south. It's pretty sweet. The water's not as clear as it has been at the other spots. So we've been out, we left on the 20th from Morton Island. So far we've not seen a single other cruising yacht. All we've seen is maybe 3 cargo ships and that plane, the customs plane that came over, and we haven't seen any rubbish, maybe 1 bottle. So just like absolutely pristine, remote, gorgeous wilderness. Doesn't really get much better. And we've had a pretty rough ride as far as gear goes. The wind vane's broken at the moment. We'll fix it though. Obviously the fan belt breaking is a massive blow, but we're getting by alright. That's all good, that's the way it goes. We're getting pretty good at hoping too now, eh? We do it everywhere we go, hope to for 12 hours before we come back in. Yeah. That's all good practice till the storm comes, for when the storm comes. What was the last stop called? No, after Frederick. It's a very nice one where we anchored in like 2 meters of water.
Oh, that was
So long ago, 4 days ago.
Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Oh, look. Diamond Island.
Diamond Island. The boat started just like pissing in water. The bilge pump stopped running. So we're like, oh man, we're going straight to Cairns. We'll go. Some caulking on it from the outside and from the inside with cotton pads and a screwdriver and a hammer. It kind of slowed it down, and then it went back to normal. Might have been from big sail that it was doing it or something, who knows. It's really starting to be frustrating, but so we're like, oh, we'll just carry on. We made the call to carry on. The bread's gonna be great. Marmite on toast, can't bloody wait. Everything we have is pretty much made from scratch. We got some canned food as well, of course. Not from scratch, from scratch. So we got like no rubbish really, maybe 3 bags, like supermarket bags so far. We're doing pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Taylor makes good food. I complain really well until she starts making food. Pretty tired. Ready for the bread, swim, and sleep. What a geek. You look like Squidward.
washing in since 2 reefs back, I think. It's too hard to do while we're sailing, and Thomas is trying to fix the wind vane. We're all out of fresh food. We only have onions, a couple of kumara. Oh!
Sailing vessel Sagacious, good afternoon. This is Australian Border Force aircraft, call sign Border Force 66 on channel 72 to receive, sir.
This is Sagacious, yes, we receive you.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for responding. We've got your details as Brisbane for Thursday Island. Just a courtesy call to see if that's still your plan, over.
Yes, that's still our plan. We have had a couple of issues. We've broken a fan belt, so we're finding it hard to make enough power, and our garber's leaking a bit. So we might head from here into get inside the Great Barrier Reef and head up that way, and hopefully run into someone who's got a spare fan belt before we get to Thursday Island.
Roger that. Understood. No worries. Yeah, well, I'm sure there'll be a lot more traffic in there for assistance for you, so hopefully you get that fixed and have a safe journey to Thursday Island. We've nothing further for Border Force 66, return maintenance, channel 16 out.
Thank you very much, Australian Border Force. Sagacious out.
Oh, they're just checking on us.
Yeah. We're so important these days. Get out! Taylor's doing a bloody washing. I'm trying to varnish. Got it all prepped up, ready to start. Bloody kicking dust everywhere. Might have to re-prep and start over. The 10th of the 5th. And we need to be in Indonesia on the 12th. We've got a month to get there. So the 12th is Japan. If we want to be in Japan on the 12th, so 12 days. So we need to leave on the 1st at the latest. So let's say we leave on the 30th. Now let's make it the 28th, eh?
Pancakes.
Hey, come on. Not bloody bad. I like the mini ones. It was the day up our sleeve. I thought it was like a dog or something for a second. It freaked me out. There's no idea. Dog under the table.
Our sea snake came on.
Yeah.
Well, I'm the fruit of your dream.
Hey, just get in there. Nah, it's all good. Just get in there, get the pancakes and the coffee on the go. Nothing can slow that down. Is my coffee on?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait.
I'm a peach. I am a peach.
Oh, yeah, for us again. Come on.
Me and my brother man, we come from the same tree. And while his skin is clean, oh, I'm just as sweet.
Oh, play. It's a bit tight there. It took him like 1,000 swoops around. Well, I could move the halyard for him, but now he's got comfort. What? He's a comfort booby poo.
Yeah.
Bastards. How well.
True.
Oh, slippery. He's a badass. He's all black, pretty much, apart from his belly. That's his booby crew. What are you making?
Carbonara out of a jar.
Is it going to be good?
I don't know, it looks so. It smells like cheese.
Mmm, cheese. I'm craving me some cheese. Pretty good conditions for cooking down here today, really, considering what we've had. Hey.
Not bad.
Well, that's looking pretty good.
Told you, don't judge the drum.
I'm all for from scratch, but
Me too, but we don't have the luxury.
no, we've got no eggs left. No cream either, funnily enough. Yum, 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 but I don't know about asparagus rather than mushroom. Time will tell.
Give it a chance.
Perfect sailing conditions, this beam reach. Oh shit, I don't have the running backstay on. We're humming along, just left Osprey Reef, which is long gone. Not surprising given you can't see it from like more than 50 meters away. Just a circle of reef in the middle of the ocean. Absolutely beautiful spot though. Couldn't recommend it highly enough. Didn't get much of a dive or anything. Conditions weren't great while we were there. It was a bit choppy, but if you look at it here, it's pretty amazing. When you're right in the middle, because of the size, what is it? About 9 miles across. It feels like you're in an equator because right around you can pretty much see breaking water on the horizon and nothing past it. So it feels like you're on top of a mountain rather than in a reef in the middle of the ocean. 6.5, 7 knots at the moment, full sail for the first time in a while. Absolutely glorious. We're going to Great Barrier Reef.
Yay!
We're coming.
Say why we changed.
Why did we change?
So we have more time. We can go some
What?
instead of going direct.
Woo! We got to have a little bit of a tiki tour. Just relax for a bit rather than just smashing it up outside real fast. Is that it?
See some people.
Yeah, we're missing other people. Little space is just getting a bit boring. This is our Vespa Marine GPS antenna. I was reading in the AIS XP8000 AIS guide, which is a Vespa Marine product, that when you mount this, you're meant to mount it as high up the mast as possible, because being within a meter of it puts you to too much radiation exposure. That's where I go and to the bathroom. Like, anytime I need to take a slash, you know, I go stand back there. So I don't know what's happening to my gear. I'm not super thrilled about it. I'm sure it'll be alright though. Nothing that years of living in a city and things would do otherwise, I reckon. I don't know. I'm no scientist.
Before I even get a chance. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
There you go.
And to think you were doubting it.
Thank you. Is it second?
Pardon?
Is it second?
Yeah, there is. Couldn't have been better.
Couldn't have been better. No, what you had, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe some mushrooms.
I knew. I think you were going to say 9 and say it needed mushrooms.
Pretty happy with those connections. Who are you riding to?
No. She said she'd look if there's any shops.
Oh,
So I
sweet.
hope there's a shop there, even just a dairy or a fish and chippy. Should I Google?
Let's pray then.
So, fish and chippy sandwich.
Don't even say it till we know it's true. We'll need some white bread.
We might catch a fish and then we can use our cameras. Fish and chippies on board.
You can make us some white bread. It needs to be really soft and go stale really quickly.
I could be a hero, El Mando Cotonero. And you could be my chica if you just let me be my foolish Mexica, babe. I'm peace. Baby, I'm a peace. I am a peace.
Osprey to Great Barrier Reef. We're coming through Fairway Passage. She was way up here. I don't know what town that's by.